Hi everyone, Luke here from Apple Online Academy with my 10 advanced copy and paste tricks. You think you know how to copy and paste on your Mac? I bet you don't know all of these tips and tricks. If I surprise you with a function you didn't know, leave me a like on this video, that I know you have learned something new. Let's start off here in Pages. You see I've got a lot of different styles in first few lines. Now I can just copy and paste the first green line including the style. So Command C and then go here to the next line and paste it with Command V, and you can see it retains the format that I copied. It is still green. But if I go to Edit menu instead and choose Paste and Match Style, which has a long shortcut, Shift Option Command V, then it just pastes the plain text and takes the style of the previous sentence. In this case it matches the end of previous line and make the text to be red. So using this option you are just copying the plain text. It is especially useful while copying text from the website, which has a lot of different styles. So go to Safari, select text, press Command C to copy and back to the document where I will paste and match style. I will use the shortcut Shift Option Command V and it match my document style. You will find this option in many different applications, including Microsoft Word. It is under the Edit menu as well, and it's called Paste and Match Formatting. Now when you copy and paste, you can only hold one thing in the clipboard. However, there is a hidden second buffer which is called Alt and Yank, and it works with Ctrl key, not Command. So it's Ctrl K to copy and Ctrl Y to paste. Let's test it out. I will copy subscribe with Command C, then I will select YouTube and press Ctrl K. It's actually doing a cut instead of copy, so press Command Z to put it back and it will stay copied anyway. Now I can paste subscribe with Command V and right after press Ctrl Y to paste the other. So this way I can copy two different things at the same time. Next is not really a trick, but just my tip, because many times I'm composing an email or filling up some web form, something can go wrong after submitting and I lose everything I typed before. So what I usually do when I finish typing a message is to select all with quick Command A and then Command C to copy it. Just two quick keyboard shortcuts and all is saved and I can send a message. If all goes well, I just move on. But if something goes wrong, I can actually have a copy of that in my clipboard, so I can paste it again into the form and try for a second time. If you think it's too many shortcuts, you can get my free course where you will easily learn them all, or download the free cheat sheet where you will find the most used shortcuts on one page. You will find the links for it in the description below, but let's move on. Now if we go back to Safari, let me show you another way of copying things there. If you select simple text, you can always use standard Command C to copy. But what if something is like an element on the web page, like this thumbnail image? If you Ctrl click or use two finger on the trackpad or right click on the mouse, you get a context menu. The context menu has several different ways to copy from this image here. For example, I can copy the link, since this image is a link. I can also copy the image address, so the location of the image, or the image itself. So in many different situations on your Mac, bringing up the context menu will give you more options for copying than just simple Command C. It is obvious that you can copy and paste files and folders in the Finder. I can select one or more of them. Let's select these two and I will do Command C to copy, then I will go to another location like desktop and use Command V to paste it. It will put copies of these items there. Let's undo it with Command Z and try it once more. Because if I hold down the Option key while pasting the items, the command changes to move. So if you are looking for the Windows functionality where you can cut and paste, this is the Mac equivalent for it. Now on the copied files, I'll press the desktop and hold down Option Command V and it will move the files instead of copying. My next tip is connected to taking screenshots. Open the screenshot tool with Shift Command 5. And here you can capture the entire screen, selected window or portion of the screen. Now if I want to copy the screenshot before saving it, I can simply press Command C to copy the selected portion of the screen. and then I go anywhere else and press Command B to insert it. It's so much easier to do screenshot this way because it will not leave any files behind, which you would need to go and delete after. Some apps like Pages allows you to copy more than just the text. You can copy the style. So for example, if I select this one here, I can go to Format and select Copy Style. That's Option Command C. Once I do that, I have copied the style, not the text itself. So now I can go somewhere else, select Other Text, and go back to Format and choose Paste Style or Option Command V. This will paste the style I copied, but it retained the text how it was. Good thing is that you can copy elements from one app and paste it in different one. For example, I want to copy one chart and send it to somebody. I don't need to export it and then look for a way how to attach it. It's as simple as selecting the graph, Command C, open up email message and press Command V to paste it. As you can notice, it's going to convert it to an image and paste it like that. You could actually do the same thing with photos. Let's open up Photos app. Select few photos here, Command C to copy, then go to Mail again and press Command V. It pastes all of these photos I selected here into the message. I think this is the easiest way to add images to Mail. Now let's say you are copying a lot and lose track of what is in the clipboard. There is a way to see it. To do that, you need to switch to the Finder. The easiest way is to just click on the desktop, then look under Edit menu, and here's an option for showing clipboard. This will bring up a little window and show you what is in the clipboard. Good thing is that it will work with the images as well. So if I select this image and copy it, it will appear in the clipboard as well. The last tip is about copying between devices. This is called Universal Clipboard. These devices have to be using the same iCloud account, and they have to have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on. It should be all set automatically, but to make sure, open up System Preferences, and here under General, look for Allow Handoff. Once you have that all set up, you can copy something on one device, and then on the other one you can paste it. There is a time limit for that too, so don't expect to copy something and then much later to be able to paste it. It usually has to happen within few seconds, maybe a minute. So there is a bunch of different things a lot of Mac users don't even know about copying and pasting. I hope you learned something new today, and I will see you in the next video.